So this tutorial is going to be about waiting for the equity candle, for the equity hour candle to close, I'd say, because we know that New York uh, market, the equity market opens at 16:30, which was this candle here. So you have to wait for this candle to close. Okay, so let us start with USD here quickly. When this candle closed, what did they do? They are trying to break 2290, 2290, yes. Try to break 2290, but they're not successful. They also went through 2285. It's important to mark what the levels. Both attempts are not successful. See how they push down strongly now. After this kind of close, now we can go for an entry. Let me mark this area here. 5-minute time frame now. So this is 1630. No, this is 1630. This is 1635. Yeah, this is 1635. Okay, so this was an end to why? It was an end because it marks the end of the bearish move. This was the 65 pips. This was an end. And it is a safe entry because they are the equity candle, the equity opening candle. The candle before the equity market opened has already closed, and it was a bearish move, which means they are coming down to get stocks in these areas before the market turns out. So this was a buy setup here. This was a buy setup. This was a buy setup. Yeah. Okay, let us go. So how many pips? 64 pips. Let me add another round number to see where we could safely hide. Stop loss 2280. Okay, so yeah, this is interesting now. So if you bought here, if you bought there, stop loss is 61 here, but if you put it and this big round number, that would be 37 pips. It's not bad. Okay, so this was a trade. It was a very good trade. So put it there and then you just wait. Right. So my take profit here would be where so that was a very sweet one for trade, and it happened pretty quickly. It's a very nice one. It's very nice. So what's the safety I could put it here? 1 to 3 is enough. 1 to 3, 1 to 2 is enough. Okay. So that is the first example. Now I'm going to another day. Go back to 30 minutes. Okay, let me erase everything here. Sorry for the background noise. It's here. 15:30, no, 16. Yeah, this going to close at 16:30. Immediately interested. So 2 minutes before it closes, I'm already on the screen. I'm marking down numbers which bears are trying to break. It is 2285 in this case, but they didn't touch it. You want the round number which has been touched, it would be 2290. That's 1150. So here, after this kind of closes, then anytime after 16:30, we can get a trade. Let me go to 5-minute time. Okay. Okay. Look at that. 16:30 is here. Okay. So anytime after 16:30, we can get an entry. Yeah, this would be my entry. My take profit will be where? a very safe take profit will be here. This is my stop loss. This is 22.90, 22.85 is where. See, 22.85. It's too far. Let me just, I can just put it below this candle. But for safety, I will put it at 22.85. And here is also fine. And then my take profit goes here. A very safe take profit. That's 1 to 3. It's quite enough. Take profit that I'm sure will be achieved. Price must come here, so I can enter with size. And my trade was strictly after 16:30. Okay, we go to 30 minutes again. 30 minutes. I think I'll make separate tutorials. This one is for gold only, and then I'm going to make another one for pound USD. So this is a different day. This is a okay. Yeah, there was news on this day. It was on Thursday. There was news. So well, this is 15:30. This is 16:30. And this was a bit tricky because we had news. Okay, and news, of course, news are a session itself. So since the news were very powerful, we could as well wait for this is 2030. This is the one. This so here. This is the candle is closed before the news broke out, which is 23:00. Yes. Okay. So it is not being broken. It means that let me go to let me highlight this area. Then go to 5 minutes. So on Thursday there was no movement until for the news. So even trading in the New York session probably not make sense because these news are very powerful here. So I would put this is here. Okay, so this is where I would put my pending order. Buy stop here. Put a buy stop order. Boom. Okay, I'll put a buy stop on the stop order there. This is 20:55 just before the news. That's when I put it, depending on where does my stop loss go. This is 23. Let me try 22. Okay, of course, since the 22.95, it was not touched, and of course, it will be very safe because it will be very safe because by the time the news broke out, I mean, okay, by the time the order was filled, news effectors had already happened. So this will be a very safe take profit. Let me go to a different day. Again, I'm back 30-minute time frame. So this is Thursday. Okay, this is Wednesday. Now I'm going to Tuesday here. Same procedure. Where is this is 15:30. This is 16:30. So after this candle, we want to look for an entry after this candle closed. Strictly after this candle closed. So I'm going to mark areas where this candle are trying to break. Okay, and then we have to determine if there was news on that day. Let me check. Check for let me see if there was news. Was there news? See. Okay, let me check my calendar quickly. Tuesday. Tuesday, what did we have? No, there was no news on Tuesday. Okay, So I'm going, okay, so this candle was trying to push past 23.05, which is a 50 level. Okay. We are definitely bearish, so it wanted to hit 23.10. Okay, I'm going to hit 23.10. So I'm going to mark that. I can also mark 23.05. Now, let me go to a 5-minute time frame on Tuesday. Let's see here. Get back to you today. So what a trade. Yeah, this is 1630. Here, 1640. You are doing nothing. Here, this will be my entry. Very nice trade. Very nice trade. Okay, let me go back to 30 minutes time frame. And then I'm going to so this is Tuesday. Now let me go to Monday. Monday is when it's here. This is here. 1630 is this kind of here. You see, you can mark more than one level. This is 23.35. We know Mondays, we don't expect it to get a very nice end on Monday. Just try 23.30. Okay, there we go. Okay, and then okay, here we go. On the beauty there. What the beauty. So this is 1630. Okay, we cannot do anything here. After this window closed, I'm going to get my trade there. Okay, my stop loss go here. I drop it. That so two quite enough for me. So that is it. That is it. That is how we want to like kill this pair. And I'm coming up with a part 2 in which I'll do a pound USD in the same week. Yes.